Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your day and every day, as in that's what I meant. Let's see what the cards are in store today. Okay, Power of Prayer. It's a beautiful card. Can you see here? A lady with a smile, so day is good. Give the situation to God. So maybe you are worried a lot. So if you are worried, just surrender it to the God, surrender it to the Almighty. And I'm sure the Almighty will help you and He will give you the answer for what you are waiting for. For example, some maybe your health is low, maybe this is not more like health, financially you're feeling low, you're feeling low in your career wise, but whatever it is, the power of the prayer means that the divine is ready to answer you and the divine is wanting to answer you. You just need to pray to him or her and it will obviously work. But it was running in my mind what it is that it is trying to say. Is it health? Is it career? Is it finances that the worry is about and you need to speak to the divine? So I pulled another card and then it comes the Page of Swords. So maybe you're worried about your work and also relationship, or you're worried about your income and your expenses. It is only one of this, so surrender it to the divine and I'm sure that they will always be there to guide you and help you. Today wear something in yellow, and many people ask me, do you go by day when I say yellow, or when I say red, when I say orange? No, I don't go by day. When I pull out the cards, when I sit for my readings, whatever it is that I feel guided to, that is what I tell you all to wear. Wear something yellow today and pick up 200 grams of jaggery today and donate it to a temple or donate it to someone whom you see by the road. So 200 grams of jaggery just in the temple or someone by the road. Wear the yellow color today and I'm sure you will feel in bliss, and whatever is your worry, surrender it to the divine and the divine is definitely going to give you the answer for it. So again, this time I'm bringing in an affirmation. It's a beautiful Balaji Bhagwan card. I really love Balaji Bhagwan ka cards. So what it is that you need to affirm today? As I said, I should be bringing affirmations from time to time. Now how will you say this? 11 times you will say this. I am ambitious and I will drive forward and generate a lot of strength in me. I repeat, I am ambitious and I will drive forward and generate a lot of strength in me. Say this 11 times and start your day, and I'm sure your day is going to be awesome. Also, because it is the card of Balaji, I would say in the morning, spend 5 minutes under the sun and thank the sun god for always being there, energizing you, giving you the necessary vitamins, necessary nutrients. And look at this yantra. If you feel guided, you can even meditate on this yantra. I'm just keeping the camera close up on the yantra. Just look at this yantra, close your eyes and meditate upon it, and I'm sure from all sides opportunities is going to come and your prayers are going to get answered. Have an awesome day ahead. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.